Hey 30-minute marketers. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to use Thrive Themes global fields. So if you're new to the channel, I'm Gary Baker, and I'm here to show you how to do more to market your message in less time. So be sure to subscribe to the channel, ring the bell for notification of future videos. Check the link in the first comment to find out a fantastic strategy to get leads and sales. And remember, it's not about faster, it's about focus. And today's focus is inside of WordPress using Thrive themes. So let's head over to the dashboard and take a look at this setting. And inside your Thrive themes dashboard, you're going to have a setting called Smart Site. This is where you define variables and values site-wide to use when building content, and you just click on Smart Settings. And when that comes up, you will see all the global fields that we're going to be talking about today. And this is where you can add global information that can be used in all the places of your website. For example, your company address. So you have name, address, phone number. Then you have all your legal pages here. And you have all your social media. And of course, at any time, you can click Add Field. And you can select from one of the preset groups here. Or you can add a new group. And then you can add what type of field this is: text, address, phone, email, or a link. All right. So this is where you would set that, and you would simply just do it right here with your company name. And for example, this would be 30minutemarketing.net. Go ahead and save that. And you'll see that that will save, and it was successfully saved. Now let's get into actually how we would use these. So if we go over and we were to add a new page, so when we go add a new page, what you'll see here is what we're dealing with is smart pages. Now global fields are available on all landing pages, but the smart page is the one where they're preset for you. So that's the best place to start to show how this works. And then after that example, I'll show you how it works on a standard landing page. So of course, we'll go into our template settings here and change template. And then of course, you can filter by tags. And if you were to scroll down here and click on Smart, you'll see all the smart options here. And of course, we'll go ahead and we will select this one right here. Smart landing pages. Actually, let's go up here and let's go ahead and just go with the not PS Smart sales page right here, and we'll choose that template. That template will load right there. As you can see, this is one of the smart templates. There's lots of features in smart templates, but the global fields is what we're interested in today. And as you can see right here, 30minutemarketing.net has been set as my company name, and we set that in the smart settings and the global fields. And as you can see over here, you'll see some exclamation points for legal disclaimer and privacy policy. And if you hover over that, you'll see this global variable hasn't been set. Define your global variables in the global fields dashboard, and they've even included a link right here. So if you click that link, you will see that that will jump right over to the Thrive dashboard, Smart Site, and Global Fields. Of course, the name was set right there. And if we were to set our privacy policy, we could very easily just go to our privacy policy and set that real quick. And you would set this to your privacy page, and then that would be set. And of course, once you set that and you go back to the smart page, you can see that that is going to be set right here as soon as we get this refreshed. And now you can see that the privacy policy is updated, and now you would just need to set your legal disclaimer, and you would set all those as you need them. And of course, once you set them, they'll always be set. And of course, if you make changes, they'll change across all of your pages. So let's go back here and let's add a new page. And let's just look at how we would do this on a standard page versus a smart page. So not smart page. And we will load that up real quick. Go ahead and publish that and then launch Thrive Architect. Now the Thrive Architect is loaded up. We'll just go ahead and we will do a template here. We'll choose a template and let's just go with a blank template just for the sake of demonstration. We'll just choose that template and you'll see how you can set these global fields inside of any landing page, not just a smart landing page, with the shortcuts that you would use in a text element. So you go here to add element and you would grab a text element and you would drop that in here. And right here where you can see it says enter your text, we'll center that so you can see it. And under insert shortcode, all you have to do right here is select your inline shortcode. So you have your global fields and you have your field name. So in this case, we have company and name. We'll go ahead and insert that and you can see exactly how that works. If you were to put a couple spaces and you were to insert legal right here, and we'll go with privacy policy, you can see that the privacy policy is right there and it's ready to go. And that's really all there is to this. It's not any more complicated than that. The thing about this idea of global fields and smart pages is you're thinking ahead. You're thinking one step ahead so that if things were to change later on down the road, when you completely build out a website, you don't have to go to every single page that you put these smart codes and this information. Of course, these smart fields, all these smart fields and these global fields, you're going to set up your address, your phone number, alternate phone number. For example, your name of your company, your address, and your primary phone number might not change, but your email address might change for support, or your alternate phone number, which might be a support phone number, might change down the road, and you would have to go and change this on all your sites. And with this setting inside of Thrive Dashboard Smart Site Global Fields, it takes care of that. Any future changes, you're future-proofed yourself, and you've set a level of customization that gives you the ability to think about these changes before they happen. All right, so that's it for Smart Sites and Global Fields. Again, this is Gary Baker with 30minutemarketing.net. Don't forget to check out the link in the first comment so you can learn how to start your own online business. It's a simple, proven, effective strategy for generating leads and sales. And that's it. Give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. There'll be a 30-minute timer and there'll be a video here on the end screen. Go ahead, click that and watch that video. I'm sure it will be awesome. All right, that's it. Have a great day. I'll talk to you later. Bye.